Hi, and welcome to my brand new channel. It's so new, I haven't even told my family about it yet. My name is Adam Nelson, and I created this channel to talk about all things money. Shortly after I graduated from college, I got a job as a software engineer, where I was making more money than I had ever made in my life before that. And shortly after that, I remember calling my dad and saying, "Dad, how am I supposed to spend all this money? What am I supposed to do with it?" I had no idea how I should balance my money between all the different competing priorities that I had. I had an upcoming wedding, I wanted to save for a house, I wanted to invest, I wanted to save for the future, and I just didn't know what to do with my money. Well, it's been a few years and I feel like I have a great deal of experience now dealing with money. Not only did I get a better job making more money, but my wife Lindsay also got a job as a software engineer, and so we have a lot to deal with. But I don't know it all. I'm learning every single day more and more about budgeting and investing and a bunch of other things related to money. And this is something that I'm really passionate about and something that I want to share with you as well as I learn. And so this is why I created this channel, where I can talk about anything related to money that I want. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and let's go on this journey together. On this channel, I plan on talking about all sorts of things related to money, including famous heists and scams that happened in the past, cryptocurrency, budgeting, getting out of debt and staying out of debt, building your credit score, tax tips and tricks that I've learned along the way, negotiating salaries, and many other topics. And sometimes I might go off the rails a little bit and talk about philosophy or some crazy conspiracy theories, but when I do, it will always be about money. My goal is to release at least one video per week. I actually started shooting for this channel back in 2020, and I'll release some of those videos that I recorded in 2020 in a few weeks. And after I release those videos, I'll let my family into the secret, and maybe, just maybe, I'll get a subscriber or two out of that. So what are you doing? Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and go check out some of the other videos I've already uploaded. Let's get my subscriber count up to the moon. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.